What's going on, guys? So pretty stoked. I am now sitting up 17% on the day. If you've already watched my previous video for today, I capitalized on about 12% from Cara Therapeutics, a one-day swing trade, and now I just locked in another 5% on RPRX. This was just a quick little, heck, you could basically call it a scalp trade. But it wasn't. It was a little long position, a little momentum trade that I got in on the breakout of consolidation here. Now, I cannot credit myself or give myself credit to finding the stock. This was actually alerted by a member in my chat room. If you'd like to join that chat room, the link is on my Facebook page, so you can go ahead and send me a friend request to Facebook, and then you can get into it. It's completely free to join, and there's a lot of good guys in there. So if you want, just go ahead, send me a friend request. We can get you joined into that chat room. But it was alerted from a member in the chat room, and so I started taking a look, and I go, and actually at least me, I wasn't thinking about trading it right now. I was actually looking to maybe get into a long position for the next couple days, or to see if we could, maybe this would be a momentum play coming into in the next few days. But when I popped it on my screen, I said, hey, look at this thing. Follow my cursor. It's consolidating. Okay, we have there's a bunch of this indecision going on, so we really don't know what's going on right now. No one wants to go up, no one wants to go down. So I said, you know what, this might be a potential breakout happening right now. So I went ahead and I started looking, I started analyzing this stock, and I'll go over it real quick with you because I don't want to make the video too long. But basically, we had this area of consolidation where it was just kind of forming a flat top of consolidation. So I went ahead and I drew a trend line and said, if this stock can come back up and break through the previous highs of consolidation, we might have a little runner on our hands. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened. So we had this nice consolidation pattern occurring. The stock started selling down a little bit and curling back up. That's kind of a good sign. When you see a stock kind of sell down and then do this little brief consolidation, but it starts curling up, those are usually good opportunities to get into stocks. So if you notice, we sell down, and we kind of curl up to test that high. So once I seen that, I said, hey, you know what? I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to anticipate the break. I didn't wait for the break. I anticipated the break. So I went ahead and I got filled at 0.579, so about 57 cents a share, almost 58, just below 58 cents a share. And my red arrow here is where I got in. My red arrow here is where I sold. And this little right angle just shows you I got in here, wrote it up, and then I sold right in that candle right there at about 61 cents for a quick 5% gain. I wasn't going to get greedy. I missed, another big chunk of it, and that's okay. It is what it is. That's a 5% move, and I'm happy, more than happily taking it. And so here's just something I want to tell you about, a little motivation, that you will miss every shot and every opportunity you don't take. Whether it be in life or in the stock market, you will miss every shot and every opportunity that you don't take a stab at. And what I mean by that when it comes to trading is, if you wait for the move to happen, you're always going to miss it. You have to start getting comfortable with patterns, comfortable with your strategy, to start anticipating the move as it's happening or right before it does happen, to give you maximum potential for growth. Okay, so this is exactly what I did. I seen that it was curling back up, and I said, hey, it may break through, it may not, but I'm going to anticipate it so I can get a better portion of the move, or a better chunk of the move. So I anticipated it, got in right before the break at 57.9 or whatever you want to call it, wrote it up to 61 cents, sold it. Simple as that. Now, I don't want to say it's simple because a lot of people have trouble trading. Even I do sometimes, but this was my 5% winner just, maybe 10, 15 minutes ago or whatnot, 20 minutes ago. So super happy about it, ending the day, maybe not ending the day, at 17% up. So you can use this and kind of study over just to give you a simple idea and understanding of little breakouts that happen, throughout the day. So that's the video. And like I said, if you want, you can join into our chat room. This was alerted by a member in the chat room. You can join into the chat room by sending me a friend request on Facebook. And then the link is on my Facebook page. It's completely free to join. So I'd be more than happy to have you there. And as always, happy trading. Have a good day.